I'm Karin Kraemer, jewellery designer and goldsmith. I work from a little studio here in the historic borough of Clerkenwell, just north of the city of London. I love the job I've chosen well over 20 years ago. I get to make little works of art for my clients, set with beautiful gemstones. What I'm passionate about is making jewellery from scratch. One of my collections is called Sepia, which is based on a very old metal casting technique. For that I'm using the inner shells, or the bones, of the cuttlefish. Some sources dated back to ancient Egypt. You may have seen this technique being used in the opening sequence to the Lord of the Rings movie. There you can see the hot metal for the ring being cast into white mold. The cuttlefish bones I use are from Dorset. I get them from a fisherman who sells his catch on a farmer's market here in London once a week. I will make a silver pendant for a red tourmaline. What I love about this technique is the organic texture you get from the grain of the bones. The layers and ridges will reflect the light once it's cast in metal. Now here you can see me preparing two halves for the casting. The great part in my job is that you can recycle almost everything, gems as well as metal. For this collection I recycle my silver and gold. That could be either the bits and dust I collect from the bench or old parts of jewellery. This is the hot molten silver, about 1000 degrees Celsius. Every piece I make is completely unique, as the calcium bone can only be used once. It burns out after the hot metal gets in contact with it. This is the rough cast piece straight after the casting. It will need some cleaning, and then I can start shaping it into the pendant I have planned earlier. The pieces are very tactile, solid, yet elegant and understated. I've worked on quite a few commissions for clients who wanted their family jewellery remade into a more modern item for sentimental or aesthetic reasons. The fact that I can use their own materials in their rings or pendants makes it a very special experience for them. Doing this makes me feel I've chosen the best job in the world.